Alright, here we are in West Michigan. It's 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Me and Little Midwest are going to tackle the driveway for the second time in 2 days. Don't be jealous. I got my ear flap hat on. I could walk to the North Pole and back and not get cold wearing this hat. But I'm going to turn the camera around. Alright, I can't even see it so bright. Okay, so this is the before video. And you can see I've already did the driveway yesterday and it kept snowing and snowing. There's the Ford Fusion hybrid Ford Escape. This is what my neighborhood looks like. Lots and lots of snow. Pretty sure it's already hit my friends in Pennsylvania and New York State. If not, they're getting it right now. I think the snowing has stopped. But yeah, we got about, I don't know, I'd say a foot. So this is the before video.
No videotaping me.
Alright, this is the after video. Not bad. Not too bad. The snowblower was running a little rough. So this is 5 minutes later. It's cleaner. My good neighbor next to me did the bottom half of my driveway, so I didn't have to do that. Little Midwest cleaned out in front of the mailbox, so you can get a mail truck in there now. I just gotta move the cars back. And now I can list on eBay. You want to make some hot chocolate? Alright, she's ready for some hot chocolate, and I got a snot mustache. I'm going inside. I'm going to list on eBay.